Q9817. When executing a stabilized approach, you should use A. No more than 1,000 FPM rate of descent for a non-precision or precision approach from 1,000 feet above the airport or TDZE. B. No more than 1,000 FPM for a precision approach or 1,200 FPM for a non-precision approach. C. No more than 800 FPM for a non-precision approach or 1,000 FPM for a precision approach. The correct answer is A. Before lowering the altitude below 1,000 feet over the airport or TDZE, all straight-in instrument approaches must be stabilized, descent rate of less than 1,000 FPM. 9817-1. You are in IMC and descending below 1,000 feet above the TDZE on a straight-in instrument approach in a turbojet. The approach is considered stabilized when the airplane is A. Fully configured and on the correct speed with a descent rate of less than 1,000 FPM. B. Fully configured with the engine spooled up and a descent rate of no more than 500 FPM. C. At least partially configured and on the correct speed with a descent rate of no more than 1,200 FPM. The correct answer is A. Before falling beneath 1,000 feet over the airport or the TDZE on any straight-in instrument approach made in IFR weather, the approach must be stabilized, descent rate of less than 1,000 FPM. 9092. Except during an emergency, when can a pilot expect landing priority? A. When cleared for an IFR approach. B. When piloting a large, heavy aircraft. C. In turn, on a first-come, first-served basis. The correct answer is C. Air traffic control generally assigns landing priority based on the sequence of aircraft arrival. Aircraft are typically given landing clearance and prioritized in the order they arrive at the airport or enter the traffic pattern. This ensures a fair and organized flow of traffic. 9044. What action is expected of an aircraft upon landing at a controlled airport? A. Continue taxiing in the landing direction until advised by the tower to switch to ground control frequency. B. Exit the runway at the nearest suitable taxiway and remain on tower frequency until instructed otherwise. C. Exit the runway at the nearest suitable taxiway and switch to ground control upon crossing the taxiway holding lines. The correct answer is B. Unless otherwise directed by the control tower, keep taxiing in the landing direction after touching down. Then, move to the closest accessible taxiway and quickly leave the runway. Without the tower's permission, you must not turn onto another runway, conduct a 180-degree turn to return to an active runway, or switch to ground control frequency while on an active runway. A pilot should wait until the controller instructs him to switch from the tower frequency to the ground control frequency after just landing. 9038. When is radar service terminated while vectored for an IFR approach at an uncontrolled airport? A. Only upon landing or advised to change to advisory frequency. B. When aligned on the final approach course. C. When cleared for the approach. The correct answer is A. When the landing is finished or when instructed to switch to advisory frequency at uncontrolled airports, whichever occurs first, radar service is automatically terminated, regardless of whether the aircraft are vectored to the appropriate final approach course or provide their own navigation on published routes to it.